What's up? What's up? What's up? Today I'm here with Yana and LJ and Rai. Say hi. Hi. Spider. Today we're at Puesto today. Ma'am. Wait, punasok ko yung camera. Who's that? Who's that? Hello. Boy! Nakikilita yung buhok niya.
Wait, I'm gonna get tissue po. There.
It's so heavy.
Oh, you can use my phone. It has 0.6. The vlog. I'm just gonna send it to you. Si Rai Rai.
Oy, Rai. Bo. Wala lang.
Tapos si Rylin.
Si Rai. Rai.
Rai, oh Rai.
I can't see her eyes. Can you do it on me? Okay. Bra! Fit check. Never mind. Eh, nakita yung pa ako. Okay. Do this in one hand, bro. Waya.
Oh, kinakari.
I thought it fell.
Kinakari.
Guys, this is only 3 minutes. What are you doing? Look at my position right now. This is my position right now.
Use my phone. You're gonna loud.
Wait, I zoomed in on Rai Rai's face. Hey. Okay, so I will film on Ate LJ's phone and post it on YT Studio, and I will post it on YouTube. So, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mama.